Under the vast sky, the Ram 1500 stands as a testament to power, luxury, and innovation. The Ram 1500, a symphony of muscular lines and bold design elements. From every angle, the Ram 1500 redefines the standard for strength and sophistication. In a statement of pure capability, the Ram 1500 leaves a lasting impression. A symphony of power lies beneath the hood, showcasing the heart of raw performance: the 3.6L V6, the 5.7L HEMI V8, and the supercharged 6.2L V8. The engines roar to life, unleashing a torrent of adrenaline-pumping energy and fierce mechanical prowess. The Ram 1500 conquers the highway with unparalleled smoothness, a testament to its adaptive suspension. Adaptive air suspension, smooth on any terrain. Off-road, the Ram 1500 transforms into a rugged beast, its adaptive air suspension effortlessly conquering every obstacle. Bathed in the sun's warm embrace, the Ram 1500 cabin radiates luxury, showcasing premium leather and genuine wood. The expansive 12-inch touchscreen commands attention, promising seamless connectivity and cutting-edge technology. Under the vast sky, a titan of the road flexes its might, the Ram truck showcasing its prowess in cargo management. Words blaze across the screen, a testament to raw power. Max towing capacity, over 12.0 pounds. A symphony of strength and motion as the Ram truck effortlessly pulls heavy loads, a dance of power and precision. Within the animation studio, advanced safety features materialize as sleek graphics, showcasing adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and blind spot monitoring. Enhanced visuals highlight the 360°4 surround view camera, offering an immersive perspective of vehicle safety. In the showroom, luminous displays unveil a spectrum of trim levels and pricing, heralding a new era of automotive opulence.